Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Klaviyo Action Automation for Workflows once you're in your account. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install and you click on Allow and Install. Once you're done installing your app, you refresh the tab and you head down to the custom page. Click on the custom page and the interface of the app is going to pop up with all its necessary features such as the documentation. In the documentation, you're going to have everything you need to get started with the app. We have the tutorial, and at the level of the tutorials, you would see two videos that is going to walk you through on how to get the necessary credentials of the app. We have the app setup. At the level of the app setup, the app has not yet been configured. No worries. Let's walk you through on how to configure your app. Head to the account which we've created online. You click on your profile, click on the settings, and you click on the API key. Then you click on create a private key. You give a sample name to your API key and you click on the full access key. Then you click on create. Copy your API key and you click on the download button and you save the API key. Head back to your account, click on start setup and you paste the API key. Then you click on complete setup. There you go, your app has been successfully configured. We have the support center where you're going to get all the necessary help from our support team through a ticket or with a call. We have the change log feature. We are going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive email, toggle on the email notification button, you insert your professional email and you click on the subscribe. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.